Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix no sound or audio on an HP laptop or even PC. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, if you're using external speakers, okay, gotta ensure that the speakers or even the headphones are plugged in tightly. And if you're using Bluetooth, disconnect and reconnect it, okay? Now, if you're just using the built-in speakers, well, follow along. Or even if you have the external speakers or headset, follow along, okay? So go ahead and go to the bottom right. You'll be able to see the sound icon. Just click on it, okay? Left click. And then just test this out. Play a music, turn it up to 100, and check if it helps. If that still will work, at least try to restart your device, okay? Restart it as it clears out temporary software glitches. Now, if that still will work, go ahead over to the speaker icon again, right click on it, click on volume mixer, okay? Now scroll down, you'll be able to see an app or apps right here that plays some music. For example, you have here your browser. Make sure that the system sound is set to 100 and the browser applications or game here as well. Now if that still will work, close this one, right click on it again, sound settings. You're going to want to scroll down and find more sound settings. Click on it, and in here, make sure that your speakers is set to default, okay? Not the Bluetooth one or not the external one. And that is, you're just using the laptop's speakers, okay? If you're using external device, make it as the default device. So click on it, click on set as default, and you should be good to go. If that will work, double click on the speakers or your device, and then go ahead over to the levels, check it out, and make sure that it is not muted. Click on it and make sure that it has this icon. Now go ahead over to enhancements right here. Try to disable all enhancements, hit on apply, then go to advanced. If you have set it up to 32 or 24-bit, try at least using a 16-bit, okay? Click on it, also disable this one, or these two. Hit on apply, hit on OK, and everything should work perfectly fine now. If that still will work, close this one, close everything, find your start menu, right click on it and click on settings. Now in the left panel, we have here Windows Update. Install all available updates right here. Just click on it, and once everything is installed, okay, gotta scroll down, click on advanced options, and then scroll down a bit, find optional updates, and install all available updates here as well, if there's any. Okay, and once that's done, close this one, restart your computer, and after that, you are good to go. That is how you fix no sound or audio on an HP laptop and PC. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.